Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jamil Ahmad. Today I am going to talk about uh, the cyclical nature or the stop-go nature of Pakistan economy. Dear viewers, almost all political and economic analysts, economic managers, all finance ministers, policymakers have a mutual consensus about the fact that Pakistan economy is a stop-go economy. It's cyclical in nature. It means uh, in the history, in the 77 years history of Pakistan, the economy of Pakistan has been fast growing and then declining its growth rate, touch to the bottom and shows a resilient and again touch to the upper limit and like this. What should be the reasons behind this cyclical nature of Pakistan economy and uh, what are the recommendations to tackle these problems for the future? Dear readers, as far as the reasons of such cyclical fluctuation or creation of trade cycle, business cycle is concerned, uh, the growth of Pakistan economy uh, cannot be understood without knowing uh, the strategic changes, the strategic variables which appears in the horizon of the world. I mean, Pakistan economic growth during the military rulers, and there were there have been military rules in Pakistan when there is a strategically important issue in the world. For example, Pakistan economy showed a very healthy growth during 1960s, and at the same time, Pakistan signed C2 and CENTE respectively in 1955 and 1954. In the same way, Pakistan economy growth very resilient. Pakistan economy was very sound during 1980s, and at the same time, the ruler was military, and the USA was involved in the Afghan conflict while facing the USSR. And again, after 9/11, there was another military ruler and there was another international issue in Afghanistan, the war against terrorism. So, without connecting the military rulers of Pakistan or with with the growth of the economy, we cannot understand the fluctuating or the business cycle or the stop grow or the cyclical nature of Pakistan economy. And I think more than 80% concept is clear that why Pakistan economy showed very healthy growth during military governments, which is connected with international issues. It's simple to understand that during when Pakistan economy showed resilience and the growth rate was very high during the military governments, at the same time Pakistan economy was inflowed by the foreign resources like international aids, like the easy and like the easy and facilitated like the easy condition from the international financial agencies like IMF and World Bank. In 1960s, when Pakistan economy was showing very healthy growth, at the same time Pakistan was signing C2 in 1954 and C2 in 1955. Uh, in other words, Pakistan decided to join one of the party of the Cold War, which was led by USA. And in the result, USA gave too much military and civilian aid to Pakistan. In the same way, 1980, when uh, USSR attacked Afghanistan, the US NATO forces led by US asked Pakistan for help, and Pakistan helped them by giving their airport, their dry ports, their land, even their people. In the result, they gave us too much military and civilian aid and also facilitated international debts. Likewise, during 1990s, internationally the importance of Pakistan was declined because there was no such international issue like the Afghan conflict and Cold War. So during these era, Pakistan economy showed downturns. Its growth revolves around 4.5 and 5 and aid to the fuel aid to the 5. Pakistan experimented successfully experimented its economic uh, bump in 1998 after the same thing which was done by India. So this create an issue for Pakistan. The US sanctions levied sanction on Pakistan, and almost all the international aid was stopped. Again, after 9/11, General Musharraf took over took over the government, and then 9/11 happens. In the result, again Pakistan was asked to join either of the party, and Pakistan joined the US as was expected. In the result, the first successful agreement between Pakistan and IMF standby agreement of $590 million US dollars was agreed between Pakistan and IMF. When successfully the first agreement was completed, again another agreement, uh, its name was uh, its name was Poverty Reduction Growth Strategy for 3 years, $1.9 billion during 2003 to 2006. Another robust growth, economic growth was seen here. I have already explained that this growth was related to international inflows of resources. Again, after 2007, when the outgoing military government left a country having mounted uh, a crisis like fiscal deficit and a current account deficit and foreign exchange constraint. The new governments had to tackle the government amid these economic turmoils, and there was only one option before the government, that was IMF. Pakistan again approached IMF and successfully get a loan for 3 years, a loan for 2 years. The amount of loan was 7.6 billion US dollar. And the coalition government led by Pakistan People Party couldn't manage it properly. Again, all the money wasted in corruption, in awarding the coalition partners and different ministries. So to be conclude, Pakistan economy always be showing growth, then downturns, then upturns, resilience, this the mix of Pakistan economy. To solve this problem, we should focus on long-run planning and strategies with strong political will and resource mobilization. I'm hopeful that the future is for Pakistan. Thank you very much. Allah